Hey everyone, I'm in between projects here and I'm busy tidying up my craft room, and I've got all these pins that I use for opening the bottles of pigment and alcohol inks. You know, you poke them down the nozzle, and they're just some cute pins I bought off Amazon or something, and I just suddenly thought I could do with a pin cushion. Anyway, some of you may remember I bought this weird stuff ages ago and I've been wondering what to do with it. So I'm going to use some of the purple to kind of make a pin cushion. I bought it, how much was it? £3 for that big pack from a shop called The Works, and it's called Modelling Foam. Let me get it out of here, I'll show you what it does. It's just really odd, it never dries out as well. I've had a blob of the green blob out for a while. But you can just mush it around and make things with it, and it always stays sticky. It does shrink a bit eventually because you kind of compact it, but yeah. And I just sort of bought it thinking there's got to be a use for that. Anyway, I'm just going to find something, stuff that inside it, and use it as a pin cushion. There we go. So I'm just going to find a little pot or something. Back in a sec. Here we go, an old tea light holder. I was thinking about taking the mould off this, but it's got a few little dinks on it, so that wouldn't be any good for making a mould, would it? So I've just got some of that foam, and we're going to push it down in there. Put a little bit more. Look at this, isn't it weird? It goes all kind of, woo, there's some strange stringiness going on there. It's really, really odd stuff. It makes quite a nice stress toy, by the way, squidging at it. You're going to make it stick up a little bit. The only funny noises in the background, my other half has just chosen a very odd time to do some vacuuming. There we go, and the rest I'm just going to put back in the pack. As I said, it doesn't dry out. I'll let you know if I think of any other odd things to do with it, but there we go. So, little pins. These little pins I did get off Amazon. Yeah, they come in a wheel like that. So I've got plenty of them. And of course they were stored quite nicely like this, but I just think that looks cute. And it means they can easily live on my desk rather than be hung up on my pegboard. And if the spongy stuff gets wrecked at any point, well, I'll just pull it out and put a new bit in. Yeah, I'll see what I can do about finding you some links. Just a silly little idea. Doesn't it look cute? Especially as these pins were little hearts. Pretty sure these were from Amazon, so I will find you the link for those. There we go, we have a funky pin cushion. Well, there you go. Hope you like this one, folks. See you for the next video. Bye.